friends, it's Heidi. I'm so happy to see you. And now that you're here, the fun can begin. So let's start by putting our hands on our hearts, closing our eyes, and taking a deep breath. In through our nose, and out through our mouth like a dragon. Our breath helps us feel safe and strong inside. So now we're ready to go. We get to open a magic portal and learn something new. But we have to say the magic words to start. Let's say, my heart is open and I am ready to shine. Will you say it with me? My heart is open and I am ready to shine. It worked. Let's jump into the magic together. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Oh my goodness. We made it to the magic portal. And look, the magic bag came with us. Our magic bag came along today. It knows what magic is headed our way. We'll tap 3 times and take a peek. Let's see what magic we'll learn this week. It's a breathing ball. That means today we get to learn all about the magic of our breath. Will you take a deep breath with me? In and out. I am so excited, my friends. Our breath is so magical. Are you ready to learn with me? On the count of 3, let's spin into today's adventure. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. We made it. And now we get to learn all about the magic of our breath. Friends, you can sit down for story time. Once upon a time in a deep green forest, there lived a little fox named Frankie. One morning, Frankie decided to build the best fort ever. He used big sticks for the walls, big leaves for the roof, and decorated it with flowers. When he was done, he smiled. It's perfect! But then, whoosh! A strong wind blew through the forest and knocked the whole thing down. Frankie's smile disappeared. His chest tightened. My fort! It's ruined! He hurried to build it again, but it just kept falling down. Frankie stomped and growled. And then he started to cry. But then Frankie remembered something Mama Fox told him one night. Whenever the storm feels too big inside of you, your breath can be your rainbow. Frankie took a deep breath in through his nose and out through his mouth. He did it again. In and out. In and out. And with every breath, the storm inside him got a little bit calmer. He whispered, my breath is my rainbow. And when Frankie felt ready, he began to build his fort again, slow and steady. He breathed in as he picked up a stick, and out as he set it down. In and out. Soon, Frankie's fort was standing tall again. He smiled. When I breathe, I find my calm. My breath is my rainbow. The end. Friends, wasn't that amazing? Frankie learned that when we feel storms inside, our breath can help us calm down. Just like a rainbow brightens the sky after a storm. What was that? The magic phone is ringing. I wonder who it is. Hello? Oh, hi, Owl. You want to teach us all about the magic of our breath? Well, come on over, Owl. We would love to learn. Friends, Owl would like to teach us all about the magic of our breath. Let's call Owl over using our magic words. We'll say, Owl, Owl, come our way. We're here to laugh and learn today. Will you say it with me? Owl, Owl, come our way. We're here to laugh and learn today. Look, Owl is here. Friends, Owl would like to play a game with us called the Magic Breath. Owl is going to whisper a special breath in my ear, and we get to act it out. Are you ready? Owl says dragon breath. We get to stand tall and strong and melt away all of our stormy feelings using our dragon breath. Let's breathe in through our nose and breathe out fire. Ah! Ouch! That fire's hot. Let's do it again. Breathe in and out. Ah! Ouch! You guys are awesome dragons. Are you ready for our next breath? Owl says candle breath. We get to hold our fingers like a candle and help our bodies feel peaceful inside. Are you ready to blow out your candles? Let's smell our candles with our nose. Breathe in and blow your candle out. Let's do it again. Breathe in and blow a candle out. What does your candle smell like? Breathe in and out. Hey, where did all your candles go? You blew them all out. Awesome work, my friends. It's time for our next breath. Owl says bunny breath. This one is super fun because it helps wake up our energy. We get to take 2 quick sniffs through our nose and then a long sigh out through our mouth. Are you ready? That was so much fun. Do you feel your energy, little bunnies? I wonder what our next breath will be. Owl says rainbow breath. A rainbow breath helps our body feel safe and calm. We get to take a deep breath in through our nose and stretch up high. Breathe out through our mouth and paint a rainbow across the sky. Let's get our rainbow paint on our hands. Breathe in and out. Ah. Breathe in and out. Ah. Breathe in and out. Ah. Look, Owl says we learned the magic of our breath. Let's say bye, Owl. Let's keep the magic going. Now that we know our magic breaths, let's use them in a game together. We get to play magic breath freeze dance. We're gonna dance, 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 but when the music stops, we freeze. I'm gonna call it a magic breath and we'll act them out together. Are you ready? Let's dance! Dragon breath. Stand tall and strong. Ah. Again. Ah. Keep dancing. Freeze. Let's do the bunny breath. 2 breaths breath out. Keep dancing! Freeze! Let's do the candle breath. Take out your candles. Breathe them in and out. In and out. One more candle left. Breathe it in and out. Hey, where did all our candles go? It's time to dance! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Freeze! Let's do our rainbow breath. Stretch up high and paint a rainbow. Breathe in and out. And in and out. We did it. Friends, I am so proud of you. You did an awesome job dancing and a great job remembering all of our magic breaths. Let's sing a little song together so we can always remember that our breath is magical. There is magic in my breath. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There is magic in my breath. Yes, there is. When I'm feeling sad or mad, I breathe slow and soft and glad. When I'm feeling sad or mad, I breathe slow. There is magic in my breath. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There is magic in my breath. Yes, there is. Hooray! Wow, friends, I had so much fun learning all about the magic of our breath with you today. And now we get to go home and bring the magic with us. So let's say our magic words. I bring the magic wherever I go. It's time to go home and let it show. Will you say it with me? I bring the magic wherever I go. It's time to go home and let it show. It worked. Let's jump back home together. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. Jump. We made it home. And now our hearts are even more full of magic. And remember, friends, your breath is a superpower you have inside of you all the time. So keep on breathing through the storms and finding your rainbow. And now it's time for us to sing our special goodbye song together. I am kind. I am strong. I am smart. I belong. I am brave. I am bright. I am love. I am light. I am kind. I am strong. I am smart. I belong. I love you so much, my friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can play together next time. Bye!